Hello everyone, welcome. Today in this video we are going to discuss an experiment regarding focal length of convex lens by plotting graphs between u and v. Also 1 upon u, 1 upon v. So here is Aksha is going to perform an experiment using simply values of u and values of v by using simple formula of f. Yes, Aksha, how can we perform? What is the aim?
So the aim of the experiment is to find the focal length of a convex lens by plotting graph between u and v or between 1 upon u and 1 upon v.
So what are materials to perform this experiment? What are you using?
The material required is a convex lens of a small focal length, second two needle, three uprights, optical bench, kneading, meter scale and clamp.
Okay, how can we perform?
So we can perform this experiment by taking two needles. One is object needle and second is image needle. This is image needle and this is object needle, and
So
this
what
is
are the
lens.
distances of these two?
First we take the distance of 10 centimeter. Second we take the needle of 90 centimeter,
Okay.
and lens
So
is at
object is at 10 and image is at
91.
you have adjusted the readings, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have adjusted and lens is fixed at
50
50 centimeter.
centimeter.
You can see 50 centimeter lens is fixed. Okay. So what are you doing now?
So
Yes. How can we adjust?
by moving the neck, you can see the needles is on the upright of
You are saying that both needles should be at
upright.
each other, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they should combine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the readings can be adjusted. The readings can be adjusted by performing these two. You can simply confirm that ki lens should be at 50, image should be somewhere at 90. There is 91. Okay. Image, after taking object at 10, you are finding that object is not moving anywhere, but yes, you can adjust image needle also. Now you can see the image just above the object needle. Now if I move my neck left or right, you can see the image is at just above the object needle. This is the confirm reading for this experiment. Means there is no parallax error that can be obtained while doing our experiments. Now lens, we can see all the readings here. Readings are somewhere at 10 object needle, 91 at image needle. So after calculating all these, we can find focal length. Our focal length was almost 20.24. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 20.24 is the readings for our experiment. It can be very according to your experiment, optical bench and your lens. Lens material can be different, so reading of focal length can be different. Now making graph by using these, Akshay is performing all the graph at homework. So she will perform next day the same experiment and show me the graph. Now graph can be like this. We can see 1 upon u 1 upon v graph जो है that is a straight line. Now straight line shows कि ये verify नहीं हो रहा है, and these all two you can see the straight line graph is obtained. Now finding all the focal length combinedly, we can take mean of these all values. You can find the value can vary up to 20 point something. Then the answer is 20 point something. So we can see the standard focal length is also 20. So answer is 20.2.